You want your headlights to go from this to this. Yo guys, what's going on? Monday to 6 here, back at the 2004 Toyota Sequoia, and today we're going to be installing these black housing new headlights. They are from the 05 to 07, so they will have a DRL. We might get to that in a later video, but today we're just going to be installing these and replacing the old stock yellowed headlights. This will be a nice upgrade, and I hope y'all enjoy the video. Here we are in the back of the Sequoia, and we have our brand new headlights. Looks so much better. Gonna actually be able to see a little bit better. Nice upgrade. 05 to 07 headlights. And they do have the clear marker on the side, so no amber on these. If you like what you see, there will be a link down in the description. Alright, let's go ahead and get these headlights changed out. Alright, let's go ahead and pop the hood. Here we are at the headlight and the turn signal of the Sequoia. Here is some of the hardware we will have to remove to get both of these assemblies out. Looking at 1, 2, 3, 4. I believe it's 4 just to get the headlight out, and this side marker. So let's go ahead and get this hardware removed. Once you get all the hardware removed, you're going to come over here, take a flat screwdriver, free up this assembly right here. Getting ready to remove the side markers here. I have a trick to show you how to remove these as easy as you can. Go ahead and get yourself some of this Gorilla Tape or duct tape, whatever you have handy. Go ahead and get yourself 2 strips of this Gorilla Tape on the side marker here. Simply just grab it, just like that. Okay, with that side marker removed, you can go ahead and get to the last 10mm bolt. When you're getting ready to remove the headlight, just come here to the back and unplug your headlight. Alright, in order to fit these 05 to 07 headlights in your prior year Sequoia, you're going to have to cut a little bit of this material away here. I'll show you here in just a second why this part interferes. So this part right here where the headlight plugs in, you can see it's for the newer years it has shifted over. So this is where it would be for alignment. You can see right here it looks like we might have to open this up like a 1/2 inch to 3/4. But yeah, in order to fit this housing in here, we will have to modify that opening. Okay, I got my angle grinder here. You can grab a Dremel if you feel a little more comfortable with that, but this should be fairly easy to cut into, so I'm going to cut it about right here. I think I might just cut it here and then bend the metal in. Let's see what works best. Alright, we got our 2 cuts here. I think I'm going to go ahead and just grab my hammer and roll this metal in. We got the metal folded in. You're going to want to go ahead and deburr this right here. Just take all the sharp edges off it and throw some paint or something on it so it's not bare metal sitting there. Went ahead and got the metal deburred and put some spray paint on it to stop it from rusting. Alright, the headlight is in. We'll just have to line up the holes. This side does have just a little bit of gap in it, so just tighten the hardware as best as you can. And then this should line up down here, and we should be able to put our side marker in. Next, let's go ahead and hook up your LED headlight and start reinstalling some of our hardware here and our side marker. Alright, here is the driver's side headlight assembly along with that clear turn signal. Looking good. So here's the after. Here is the before. So here's the side-by-side comparison. There is the stock headlights that have yellowing, and here is the 05 to 07 retrofit headlights. Makes it look so much cleaner. Here is also with the fog lights on, just showing you the clarity of getting new headlights versus your yellowed stock headlights. Okay, we went ahead and we got the driver side done. Let's just repeat the same process from the driver side over here to the passenger side. Headlights look amazing. Looking great. Got the retro fitted headlights in here. 05 to 07. Looking good. Nice and shiny. That black housing, along with the non-amber side marker. It's exactly the look I was going for. Alright, you guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. And as always, Monday to 6. Out.